Now the second class of synthetic polymers are synthetic fibers. And for synthetic fibers, polyamides, polyesters, rayons, etc. are the examples. So we start with the polyamides. What are polyamides? Polyamides are the compound where you have amide linkage. You may have heard about the amide linkage, C double bond ONH. A compound in which you have C double bond ONH linkage is called amide linkage. So those polymers in which you have the amide linkage many times, because you have that unit many times, that's why the amide linkage many times, they are called polyamides. Those compound in which the amide linkages you have many times, they are called polyamides. A very good example for a polyamide is nylon 6,6. What is nylon 6,6? You have the two monomers for the formation of nylon 6,6. They are, first one, adipic acid. Adipic acid contains 6 carbon atoms. Here you have CH2 4 times, so there are 4 carbon. The CH2 group 4 times, so there are 4 carbon. And here you have one COH, and here also you have COH. So there are 6 carbon. So the common name of this compound is adipic acid, and the next molecule or next monomer is hexamethylene diamine. Hexamethylene diamine, there are 6 carbon. CH2 is called methylene, which you have 6 times. That's why it is hexamethylene, and this group is amine, which you have 2 times. So these are the 2 monomers, and each monomer contains 6 carbon atoms. That's why this molecule is termed as nylon 6,6. And this is the polymer formula. It is NH2, not 9, NH2. This compound, okay, NH2. Then not NH2, it's a mistake. I'm sorry, it's a mistake. NH hyphen, because from here a hydrogen is eliminated, and from here an OH group will be eliminated. Yeah, hydrogen and an OH group will be eliminated, and you will get NH single bond, CH2 6 times single bond, NHCO, CH2 4 times CO. This is the polymer called nylon 6,6. Now we will discuss about the properties and uses of nylon 6,6. Nylon 6,6 fiber is very tough and strong. After the polymerization, we will convert this into a fiber. And it is used for making socks, fabrics like hosiery. Hosiery means mainly the inner garments. Also to make fishing net, brushes, ropes, etc. These are the main uses of nylon 6,6. Now the next polyamide is nylon 6. Polyamide is nylon 6. Now for this polymer nylon 6, the monomer is this unit. This unit is commonly called caprolactam. Caprolactam is a cyclic amide. It's a cyclic amide, and you can see the CO group and NH group also is there, and there are together 7 atoms. 7 atoms, 1 carbon, 1 nitrogen. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 carbon atoms and 1 nitrogen atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Actually, it is a 7-member ring. Altogether, you have 7 atoms. By mistake, 1 carbon is excess there, should not be there. Together, there should be 7 atoms, including nitrogen. 1 carbon is excess here. Anyhow, this unit is called caprolactam. And from caprolactam, we can get a compound called aminocaprioic acid. Aminocaprioic acid. And what is aminocaproic acid? Aminocaproic acid is this molecule CH2 5 times COH then NH2. NH2 CH2 5 times COH. Here this unit actually you have 2 times. Here also you have a caproic acid, aminocaproic acid, and here also you have aminocaproic acid. So from one aminocaproic acid a hydrogen, and from other one from the COH group an OH also is removed. So you got an amide linkage. So this is actually a dimer of aminocaproic acid. Dimer means 2 units are combined. Now this upon polymerization you will get nylon 6. This is nylon 6. C double bond O single bond CH2 5 times single bond NH n times. This is called your nylon 6, which is also called a perlon or capron. Now I told you the monomer for the formation of nylon 6 is caprolactam, and this caprolactam is actually prepared from a compound called cyclohexane. So this is the way how you are getting caprolactam from cyclohexane. See, ഇവിടെ petrochemical feedstock എന്നാണ്. Petrochemical feedstock എന്നാൽ നമ്മൾ പെട്രോളിയം ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയിൽ കിട്ടുന്ന ബൈ പ്രൊഡക്റ്റ്. അതിൽ നമുക്ക് cyclohexane ഉണ്ടാവും. Cyclohexane means 6 carbon ring structure. 6 കാർബണുള്ള റിംഗ് സ്ട്രക്ചറാണ് സൈക്ലോഹെക്സൈൻ. ആ സൈക്ലോഹെക്സൈനെ നമ്മൾ ഓക്സിഡൈസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ യു വിൽ ഗെറ്റ് cyclohexanone. On means C double bond O, ketone group. Cyclohexanone കിട്ടി. Cyclohexanone NH2OH. NH2OH means hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine which treat ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ you will get an oxime intermediate. ഈ NH single bond OH. ഈ ഗ്രൂപ്പുള്ള കോമ്പൗണ്ട് വിളിക്കുന്നത് C double bond N single bond OH. C double bond N OH. ഈ ഗ്രൂപ്പ് വിളിക്കുന്നതാണ് ഓക്സൈൻ. ഒരു ഓക്സൈൻ ഇന്റർമീഡിയറ്റ് ഫോം ചെയ്യും, which undergo a rearrangement called a Beckmann rearrangement. Beckmann is the name of a scientist who find out this rearrangement. That's why it is called a Beckmann rearrangement. So the oxime through Beckmann rearrangement you will get the compound called a caprolactam. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Altogether there are 7 atoms. So this is your caprolactam. Now we will discuss about polyamides. So we are discussing about synthetic fibers. First one was polyamides. Now this is actually polyester. This is nothing other than polyesters. So what are polyesters? Polyesters means you have the ester linkage. This linkage you can see here. This linkage, that is C double bond O single bond O. C double bond O single bond O. This linkage is called ester linkage. This you have many types. That's why it is called polyesters. Now for polyester, an example here is terylene, which also is called dacron. So in terylene or dacron, the monomeric units are ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. What is ethylene glycol? Here you can see CH2OH, CH2OH. This monomer is called ethylene glycol. Then you have terephthalic acid. What is terephthalic acid? In benzene, on the first carbon and on the fourth carbon you have COH group. On the first and fourth carbon you have COH. So it is actually benzene 1,4-dioic acid. Benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. That unit is commonly called terephthalic acid. So these two will condense. From here an OH and from here a hydrogen will be removed, and thereby you will get the product called a terylene or dacron. This is a polyester. Now I'll discuss the properties and uses of terylene. It has good mechanical strength, resistance to heat, moisture, and is unattacked by many chemicals. used to make fabrics either alone or blended with cotton. നമ്മൾ കേട്ടിട്ടുണ്ട് പോളിസ്റ്റർ ഡ്രസ്സ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കോട്ടൺ മിക്സ്ഡ് വിത്ത് പോളിസ്റ്റർ എന്ന് പറയും. പോളിസ്റ്റർ നമ്മൾ പ്രൊണൗൺസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്, പോളിസ്റ്റർ എന്നുള്ളത് ആക്ച്വലി പോളിഹെസ്റ്റർ ആണ്. പോളിയസ്റ്റർ ലോപിച്ചാണ് പോളിസ്റ്റർ എന്ന് വിളിക്കുന്നത്. It is not polyester, it is polyester. Anyhow, that polyester are used to make fabrics either alone or blended with the cotton. It's also used to make seat belts and sails. Sails. So these are the properties and uses of the relief. Okay, so that's all about the synthetic fibers. So two synthetic fibers, polyamides and polyesters, and we discussed the example with their properties, and we'll continue with the discussion with the plastics, synthetic plastics.